Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a car trunk organizer that you guys can use in your trunk of your car obviously, but you do have the option to use it anywhere else if you guys want to as well, to organize stuff and carry stuff if you guys want to. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once you guys take out the wrapper, here is basically what the product looks like. And you see right here they do have the brand logo, and here is basically what the product looks like. If you see how it's all nicely folded up, but let's fully open it and show you guys what the product looks like first. So all you need to do is just pull it open. And then once you guys do that, you can see the inside is very spacious. And the way how you guys keep it open, they do give you guys this option right here inside. They basically want to put it underneath it. So I'm going to slide this inside first and it'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so once you guys slide it inside, here is basically what the inside looks like. And inside they do give you guys an option which works as a divider option if you guys do want to. So I'm actually flip it together to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so once you guys set up the divider, here is basically what the product looks like. So you definitely do have the option to use that divider if you guys want to, or just pull it out and not use it if you guys don't want to. But you see the inside is actually very spacious for you to put a lot of stuff if you guys do want to. And I love the fact that how they do give you guys a little handle for you guys to carry around really easy as well. But definitely throughout the product, they do have a bunch of compartments. So you see in the front part right here, they do have like a mesh pocket right here and right here as well. So that way when you guys put stuff here on the side, you guys can see what's on here. That part right here, we do have the brand logo. When you guys turn around to the other side, this side they also have the strap option as well. But for this side is slightly different. There's basically 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whereas the other side was 2 slots, because this part right here was not actually stitched together. And if you guys turn it back to this side, they have a pocket right here. And the pocket is actually very spacious, so you guys put a lot of stuff inside if you guys do want to. And right here we do have the brand logo. And this side right here we do have another pocket as well. And for this one they do give you guys a strap option or Velcro option for you guys to stick it on. So that way it's more secure when you guys do put stuff inside right here. And you guys can see it on the bottom, here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So now let's try to use the strap option here to show you guys how it works. So I want to take out the rubber band right here first. And once you guys take it out, you can see on the other side right here is basically a hook option. Same thing for this one. So this one's also a hook option as well. And for both of these hook options, you do have the option to adjust it to make it shorter or longer based on your own preference. So for the hook option, the way how you use it, you guys can just hang it onto somewhere to prevent it from moving around. Maybe if you guys want to hook it inside your car, or if you guys want to hook something on the side right here, you guys can definitely hook it on the side right here as well. Just like that. And then that is basically everything that's on the product. You can see very easy and very simple for you to use everything on here. But I love the fact that how it is collapsible. So that way you can use it on the full side like this. Or if you guys pull it up, you do have to fold it back up halfway, and then use it halfway if you guys do want to. Or when you guys are done using it, you can take everything off and pull it back up and push back in, and it's basically all set. So the product, it is super compact and portable, so that way you guys can fold it back up when you guys are not using it. And when you guys do need to use it in your car, you do have the option to just open up really easy like this, and it's basically all set. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market are looking for a high quality car trunk organizer that you can organize stuff either in your car, your trunk, at home, in office, or anywhere else, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.